Manipurdagi thorakpa player kayana India bu malemda saktakli state asidagi afaba player hena puthoknaba sports infrastructure gi awatpa kaya amasu semgatnaba honari haina Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports ki secretary oibatanatana Sports Authority of India sai gi Director General Hari Ranjan Rao na phongdokrai state asida numit kharani gi khongcheta lakliba rao sai North East Regional Center NERC Imphal amadi center asigi unit singna harau taram na okpagi thoramda wafam asi phongdokhibani takhil da leiba sai NERC Imphal gi administration hall da pangthopa thoramadu sai regional center ki director sports ki lamda masak nairaba miyoi sing coach sing staff sing amadi miyoi kya susaru yakhi thoramadu gi mangoinana sai NERC takhil gi tongan tongan ba sports ki sanafam sing yauna 30 bedded hostel yengsun khibaga loinana library amasu miyam da khusanaki Toramaduga Mari Lenana Lamdam Masiki Sanaroi Kayana Toan by international amadi national competition Kayada Sarukiabang Amli. Lamda Masidagi Afaba player Hena Putok Nabama Song, Sport Kilamda Hena Kumang Sausinaba, National Sports University Leire Haina Fondoki.
Yesterday I also visited the new campus that is under construction. Hopefully this year we should be able to shift the NSU into new campus. I was pleased to see the quality of work, and it's going to be one of the best campuses in the country. So that is a tribute to the people of Manipur and the athletes of Manipur. And we'll continue to keep further adding more and more value. I'm going to meet the state government authorities. State government is also doing a lot of good work in Manipur for sports promotion. As compared to many other states, ratio of athletes' performance in terms of national medals and overall contribution, Manipur ranks much higher than many other states. So I am very proud of it, and I want the states to continue to grow.